Hello everyone, this is Mukesh Kumar Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you how to use small app as a VIP account, as a VIP user without giving any payment. As you can see, two small apps. In Xiaomi phones we can use dual apps. So the first one is my original account and the second is a fake account. I have logged in through email. As we know that whenever we log in through our email ID, Small gives 3 days VIP subscriptions. After that we lost our VIP position. So this is a solution. Here is solution. First of all, whenever we lost our 3 days subscriptions, we have to clear data like this. We have to clear data, and next we have to remove that and create new account. Sign up. We have to write anything like bala 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 @ la la bala bala .co.com. Okay. Small can't recognize the account, the email or Gmail account is real or fake, and we have to use its weakness. And now you can see that unlock a song. I have to unlock. Now you can see I am a VIP user. Small tips. So this is the way to use VIP account without any payment, and it is very successful. When after 3 days the account will lost its VIP position, we have to re-sign up. Okay, thanks.